Hi guys, it's me, MomFoodPlantandThings. How are you? I hope everything is well. Today we are having Jollibees. Yay!
You better turn up. You better.
It's been a while. Here, I have my daughter here with me. You want to say hi?
Hello.
Okay, so we are super excited. We haven't had lunch, and so we came in. We decided to have some Jollibee. So let me show you what we ordered. So I think I got the 3-piece meal, right? And then I got one side, so I got spicy chicken. I absolutely love their spicy chicken. And let me turn on the AC. I hope you guys heard. So, and then, so I got one side, and I got white rice with it. And my daughter got the kids spaghetti. And that's how that looks. And then I ordered 2 drumsticks on the side. And then we got our drinks. But thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and leave me a comment. I know I haven't been on here. Okay guys, I know it's been a while since I recorded. I was sick. I got a sinus infection. Anytime like I skip a day on my allergies, I always like find myself like sick the next day. But yeah, my allergies have been really bad. Let me know if you guys have really bad allergies. I have to take an allergy pill every day, but I'm kind of thinking about seeing allergy specialists. Yeah, let's eat. Here's my chicken. Go ahead and start eating. So that's where I wasn't feeling well, and that's why I haven't filmed in a while. But let's take a bite. Okay. Their gravy. Like for the past week because I just wasn't feeling well, so my daughter's been doing all the cooking at home, so I've been really enjoying that. I love that she cooks and she's learning how to cook more things, and so I told her she needs to learn how to cook lasagna or make lasagna. Here's the rice and gravy. I've been craving lasagna, so hopefully she makes that soon. Toy did you get today? So she got a toy. She got a kid's meal. I don't even know if I even chewing my food or just swallowing it. Oh, the toy is super cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna dip it in the gravy. It's like a little man, huh?
Yeah.
That's so cute. Look at him.
Booyah!
Aw, that's so cute.
His name's Popo.
Popo? Popo. Say hi to Popo. Thumbnail. That's super cute. I love their toys.
Go like this. There you go. It says slightly.
Oh,
on
okay.
him. Whoa.
Oh, that's cute, huh? This is so good, right?
Yeah.
The chicken is good. I want to have some of her spaghetti here soon. So today, after we have Jollibees, we are going to go to Marshall's and return a dog mat that I got. We got that dog mat how long ago? Like 2 weeks ago? It's been like 2 weeks ago or so. But we got a cooling mat for our dog. For one of our dogs, she gets really hot really quick. And so we saw that cooling mat, and that mat ended up popping. And all of the insides, like the gel, right? The gel started to come out. Here's the spaghetti. So all of that like cooling gel started to ooze out of it. And so we're going to return that and hopefully get a new one. Because she only laid on it like, what, two or three times, and then it ended up popping. But our dog's on a diet because I feel like she's just getting chubbier and chubbier. Like, we've been feeding her less, like a little bit, maybe a quarter cup less. But it just seems like she's gaining weight. Okay, you guys, I am all done with my food. That really did hit the spot for me. Ugh, it's so good. I could probably eat like 2 more chickens, but I already had like 3 and I have 1 more. Do you want that last one?
Sure.
Okay. If she doesn't finish it, I'm going to eat that all. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And leave me a comment. Just kidding. We have pie. I totally forgot we had pie. But here is the pie. Let's open it up. Okay. Ooh. I love their pie. Let's break it. Yummy. Look at that. So delicious. Okay. What side do you want? The right side or the left side?
The right side.
Okay, here is your side. Let me put it on right there. And let me turn this around. But look at that. So yummy. Okay, guys. Yummy. So good. We totally forgot that we had pie. And my daughter was cleaning up. And she's all like, we have pie! And so I decided to film it too. Okay, I am going to finish this. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!